Hello everyone, I'm Saithan and welcome back to my channel SciTech. So finally friends, I got my OnePlus Nord CE device and it is unboxing experience. So let's see what are the contents we do get in the box, and don't forget to stay tuned by subscribing friends, because I'll be doing in-depth comparison with the iQOO Z3, mainly with the comparison in terms of the performance and speed test and the battery test, camera test. Even I'll try to include the Realme X1 Max and other smartphones if you are interested. So make sure to comment below friends what are your thoughts, and do let me know in the comments below what are the other videos you want me to compare and review on. So make sure to definitely comment friends. I'll try to upload as many videos as possible on this OnePlus Nord device. Is it worth it to buy this kind of phone or not? Even I'll try to make as soon as possible as much as videos friends. You know about me definitely. So make sure to hit the subscribe and do follow me regularly. As you can see friends, this is the complete box. Let me to throw the other plastic side, and is the unboxing experience. Let's see friends what will the package looks like. And this is a kind of big cardboard I'm seeing right now. So this is a big list, so big order list which has been given for me. And let me try to open the OnePlus Nord. Is the OnePlus Nord CE device, you can see friends, so which has the same kind of box look as before when I did unbox the OnePlus Nord device. So same kind of look I did see for the OnePlus Nord CE as well, and there's plenty of dust around this kind of box, as you can see. So let me try to quickly open this box. Let's see what is going on inside, how much contents we do have. Is there any kind of stickers or not? That's another thing which I'm going to check right now. And don't forget to comment below friends what are the videos you want me to upload on this phone. As soon as I'll try to upload, so I'll do my best to post the video. And there is no sticker, there is no tape. As you can see friends, I just got out of the box. I am just unboxing. As you can see friends, there is no plastic production tape, seal tape. There is not at all present in this phone right now. And let's see, it is a phone, and let me try to hold the phone in my hand. Let's see friends what will be the first impressions be like. I think first impressions is kind of okay. I do feel using the same previous OnePlus Nord, if you remember. And let me try to quickly tear out the phone right now. And make sure to comment below friends definitely what videos you want me to do on this phone first. So maybe for the next 2-3 days I'll try to do only those videos which a lot of viewers are interested. And it's a backside look. As you can see, this is how it looks on the backside. And see friends, and my chart and this phone colors are perfectly same to blue color. And let's see what are the box contents inside. So it's completely in the black color only. There is no blue color at all friends. I do like that kind of blue color finishing, but let's see inside what will be there. And is a charger, and is a cable which we got. As you can see friends, the charger should be of 30-watt web charge, and is a cable which got completely packed. And let's see what are the contents inside we'll be getting. Inside we did get this kind of clearly good looking case, I would say, which is completely different from normal transparent cases which we are seeing nowadays. And you do have this kind of protection for the Type-C port as well, charging port. That's a really good thing, and that's a good. And next thing, let's check is there any kind of stickers like OnePlus Nord stickers or not. I think there's some kind of book here, and there's a SIM card pin, and there's this kind of, I think, yes, we did get a couple of OnePlus stickers. As you can see friends, this is what I was expecting. We did get the OnePlus stickers and some kind of warranty and all these papers, memory card. We did get the red cable card club. So something, this is weird. So I need to use this kind of card to claim some kind of benefits. Let's see. And these are the quick unboxing experience friends using this OnePlus Nord CE device. So this is my, let's see what will be the performance, and what will be the camera, what will be the display, and all those things I'll be testing in the next couple of days on this phone. So make sure to stay tuned by subscribing to my channel friends. And in case if you have any other queries on this smartphone, so don't forget to comment below. I'll definitely try to reply to you, all of you. And make sure to definitely do let me know in the comments below which kind of test you want me to perform first. That is what I was looking for on this OnePlus Nord CE device. And we do have the pre-installed screen protector as well. That is another one thing which I thought of mentioning. Pre-installed screen protector is already there on the device. So this is the exact variant which I ordered out of 8GB RAM variant. I did order, and for about I think 23,500, because I did get the 1,000 rupees bank discount code, and even the 500 rupees cashback from the Amazon I did get. So overall the price of this phone is going to be 23,500 rupees. So let's see friends, for 23,500 rupees, is it worth it to buy the OnePlus Nord CE, or should you invest slightly little bit more money to buy the Realme X1 Max? That is a video which I'll be doing very soon. So stay tuned for that video friends, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.